If you have landed on this video, it's clear you are not here to buy just any TV. You're here to see the best of the best. Today we are comparing three ultimate OLED flagships, TVs that don't just play content, they create a true cinematic experience at home. LG OLED V4 series, Samsung S90F OLED, and Sony Bravia 8 OLED. These are premium TVs made for people who don't believe in compromises, not in picture quality, not in sound, and definitely not in performance. If you want perfect blacks, cinema level visuals, next gen gaming features, and true flagship experience, this comparison is for you. Watch till the end because by the time this video finishes, you'll know exactly which TV deserves a place in your living room. So without wasting any time, let's get started. LG OLED V4 series isn't just a bigger TV, it's a cinematic upgrade. If you are moving from a regular LED, this is a massive jump in picture quality because this is a OLED. Every pixel lights itself, no backlight, so blacks are truly black, not grey. You get infinite contrast and zero light bleed. HDR looks stunning with Dolby Vision support. Bright scenes glow, dark scenes stay detailed. The Alpha 8 AI processor enhances picture in real time. Even lower quality content looks close to 4K. 120Hz refresh rate makes motion super smooth, perfect for sports, action, and gaming. Filmmaker mode shows moving exactly as intended. No artificial effects, just pure cinema. Sound is decent with AI processing, but a soundbar will boost the experience. Fast WebOS smart system, Magic Remote, Chromecast, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth all included. If you want perfect blacks, premium feature, and a true home theater feel, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a complete viewing transformation. Link in the description, you can check it out. Now Samsung S90F OLED is a built for true flagship performance with a sleek premium design. It uses self-lit OLED pixels, so you get perfect blacks, infinite contrast, and outstanding shadow detail. Dark scenes look deep and cinematic, not dull or grey. With OLED HDR Plus and HDR10 Plus, brightness and contrast adjust scene by scene. Bright moments stay punchy while dark scenes keep detail. An anti-reflection coating keeps the screen clear even in bright rooms. Powering the TV is the NQ4 AI Gen 3 processor, which enhances color, sharpness, and clarity in real time. 4K AI Upscaling Pro makes HD content look close to 4K. The panel supports up to 144Hz, so motion stays ultra smooth, perfect for sports, movies, and gaming. Games also get VRR, ALLM FreeSync Premium Pro, and HGIG support. Tear-free gameplay. Sound is strong too, with 40-watt 2.1 channel speakers and Dolby Atmos support. Object tracking Soundlight moves audio with on-screen actions, making scenes feel more immersive. Smart features include Alexa, Bixby, AirPlay, screen mirroring, and Samsung TV Plus. Finished in an ultra-thin design with minimal bezels, it looks clean and premium in any space. If you want true OLED contrast, high brightness, and elite gaming performance, this TV is a serious flagship choice. Link in the description, you can check it out. Now Sony Bravia 8 OLED is built to deliver not just visuals but real cinematic emotion. It features a pure OLED panel, so you get true deep blacks, infinite contrast, and stunning highlight detail. Powering it is Sony's XR processor, which analyzing scenes like the human eye. It optimizes color contrast and depth in real time for a more natural picture. XR Contrast Booster 15 makes bright highlights pop while preserving dark details. XR Triluminous Pro delivers accurate colors, natural skin tones, and vibrant scenes without looking artificial. For motion, you get 4K at 120Hz with XR OLED motion. Keep action smooth and blur free. Sound is where this TV truly stands out. It has a powerful 50-watt 2.1 channel system with acoustic surface audio plus. The screen itself acts as a speaker, so sound comes directly from the action on screen. With Dolby Atmos and DTS:X support, audio feels immersive and cinematic. Many users may not even need a separate soundbar. It runs on Google TV with built-in Chromecast, Google Assistant, AirPlay, and Alexa compatibility. Gamers get HDMI 2.1 features like ALLM and VRR for smooth responsive gameplay. With its slim premium design, it looks elegant in any setup. If you want true OLED contrast, intelligent processing, powerful built-in sound, and a smooth 4K 120Hz performance, this delivers a complete flagship experience. So if you are watched till the point, one thing is clear, you are not just browsing, you are choosing carefully. You pay attention to details, you understand real differences, and you want the best value for your investment. All three TVs here are premium, all three are future ready, but the right one is that one that fits your space, your viewing style, and your expectation. If you want deep cinema like visuals, powerful gaming performance, or an all-around flagship experience, there's a perfect choice waiting for you. I've added the best buying links and latest deals in the description below, so you can check current prices before making your decision. And if this video genuinely helped you, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.